To start or stop BitLoker Drive encryption service in Windows 11 Home, right-click on Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services and then on uh, on BitLoker Drive encryption service, right click and then tap Start to start or select Stop to stop. BitLoker uh, TTAS VC hosts the BitLocker Drive Encryption service. BitLocker Drive Encryption provides secure setup for the operating system, as well as full volume encryption for OS. Fixed or removable volume. The service allows BitLocker to prompt users from various actions related to their volumes when mounted and unlocks volume automatically without user interaction. Additionally, it stores recovery information to active directory if available and if necessary, ensures the most recent recovery certificates are used. Stopping or disabling the service would prevent users from leveraging this functionality. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.